Imagine you're trying to connect with a client, but you can't seem to find your desk phone. Or perhaps you're on the go and need to quickly check a voicemail. What do? That's where the RingCentral mobile app comes in. It's your pocket-sized office, allowing you to stay connected and productive wherever you are. But how do you get started? Before we dive into the installation process, let's quickly understand why the RingCentral mobile app is a must-have. Stay connected. Make and receive calls, send and receive texts, and access your voicemail from your smartphone. Work efficiently. Collaborate with your team using team messaging and video conferencing. Manage your calls. View your call history, manage your call forwarding settings, and more. Installation process. Now let's get to the fun part, installing the RingCentral mobile app. Download the app. Open your smartphone's App Store, Apple App Store, or Google Play Store. Search for RingCentral. Tap on the RingCentral app icon. Click the Get or Install button. Sign in. Once the app is installed, open it. Enter your RingCentral credentials, username and password. Tap Sign in. Grant permissions. The app may request access to your phone's features like camera, microphone, and contacts. Grant the necessary permissions to ensure the app functions correctly. Setting up the app. Now that you've successfully installed the app, let's take a moment to customize it to your preferences. Profile settings. Update your profile picture and add a short bio. Call settings. Configure call forwarding, voicemail greetings, and do not disturb settings. Notifications. Customize notification settings for calls, messages, and other alerts. Using the app, let's explore some of the key features of the RingCentral mobile app. Making and receiving calls. Tap the phone icon to access your contacts or dial a number. To answer a call, tap the green Answer button. To decline a call, tap the red Decline button. Sending and receiving messages. Tap the messaging icon to access your chat history. Start a new conversation by tapping the New Message button. Type your message and hit Send. Checking voicemail. Tap the voicemail icon to access your voicemail messages. Listen to a message by tapping on it. Using team messaging and video conferencing. If your organization uses RingCentral's team messaging and video conferencing features, you can access them through the app. Join meetings, chat with colleagues, and collaborate on projects. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the installation or use of the RingCentral mobile app, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Update the app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Contact RingCentral support. If the issue persists, reach out to RingCentral's customer support for assistance. The RingCentral mobile app is a powerful tool that can help you stay connected and productive on the go. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily install and set up the app to start enjoying its benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.